I want to share this award with everyone behind Manila's Finest, from the producers to the creative team led by Raymond Red. Sila po tumaya sa akin. Hindi ko po alam kung anong iniisip nila, pero salamat po at gusto ko rin pasalamatan yung aking fellow actors because they were also supportive and welcoming doon sa aming shoot. At lastly, gusto ko pong pasalamatan ang aking mga best friends sa press, ang Speed. Matagal-tagal na po pinagsamahan natin. It's my first time to even be nominated in this industry, in the film industry. So this means a lot to me. Bago lang po ako dito. And yet, na-nominate pa lang masaya na po ako, nanalo pa po. Maraming salamat po.